This podcast is sponsored by authorvoices.ai. Transform your book into a captivating audiobook in minutes, not months, and for just a fraction of the cost. Discover the future of narration at authorvoices.ai today.
How narration pacing. Software elevates AI. Audiobook narration for authors. Discover how narration pacing AI software enhances AI audiobook narration, offering authors affordable, engaging, and customizable audio storytelling. The power of narration. Pacing AI software for authors. As an author, one of the most exciting parts of bringing your book to life is hearing it narrated. Whether you're creating an audiobook or adding a professional narration layer to your work, pacing the narration just right can make all the difference. This is where narration pacing AI software steps in, transforming the way stories are told and experienced. If you haven't heard much about narration pacing AI, here's the scoop. It's a specialized tool that adjusts the speed, intonation, and rhythm of AI-generated narration to match the mood, style, or tempo of the story. It's not just about reading words aloud. It's about immersing listeners by letting the narration breathe naturally, keeping them hooked from the first line to the last. Why pacing matters in audiobooks. Think about the last time you listened to an audiobook. Did the narrator rush through the thrilling scenes, or did they slow down to savor the emotional moments? The pacing shapes your entire experience. An overly fast narration can leave listeners confused or exhausted, while a sluggish pace may cause boredom. Traditional audiobook narration relies heavily on human voice actors to manage this pacing, but hiring professionals can be costly and time-consuming. Enter narration pacing AI software, technology smart enough to emulate this human nuance with impressive precision. How narration pacing AI software works. At its core, this software leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning models to analyze the text and apply pacing adjustments. It can recognize dialogue, slower and more deliberate, reflecting natural conversation pauses. Action, faster tempo to build excitement and tension. Descriptive passages, measured pacing to allow the listener to visualize scenes. Emotional nuances, highlighting dramatic beats with subtle speed or tone changes. These elements come together to create a narration that feels more human and engaging, even though it's generated by AI. This means authors no longer have to settle for robotic-sounding audiobooks or compromise on production timelines. Benefits for authors. Using AI. Narration tools. Cost-effective, AI narration can dramatically reduce expenses compared to hiring voice talent and production studios. Quick turnaround. Authors can produce a polished audiobook faster, which is great for tight schedules. Customizable. Many platforms allow tweaking voice characteristics and pacing for a unique narration style aligned with your book's tone. Consistent quality. No worries about tired voices or fluctuating deliveries over long recording sessions. Accessibility opens up audiobook production to indie authors and small publishers who might have been priced out before. Making the most of AI. Voice generator technology. While AI narration is evolving rapidly, pairing it with pacing control ensures the end result doesn't just sound good, it sounds right. For authors exploring AI voice generator options, prioritizing software with built-in pacing features will make all the difference. It's like having an editor for your audiobook performance. For example, authorvoices.ai is a platform designed specifically with authors in mind. It focuses on AI audiobook narration that feels natural and dynamic. The pacing controls there allow you to customize the voice delivery to your story's emotional highs and lows, giving your listeners the immersive experience they deserve. Is AI narration the future of audiobooks? Absolutely. The technology behind AI narration, especially with pacing adjustments, is moving fast and improving every day. It's breaking down barriers for content creators, letting more people share their stories in audio formats without the hurdles of traditional production. As an author, embracing this innovation means you can experiment with different narration styles easily, maintain creative control without needing a professional narrator on call, reach more audiences by offering audiobooks that sound polished and professional. The key is to see AI not as a replacement, but as a powerful tool that amplifies your storytelling reach and impact. Final thoughts. If you're considering creating an audiobook or investing in AI narration for your books, keep an eye on narration pacing AI software. It's a game changer. It brings that human touch to AI-generated voices, ensuring your story's flow matches the vision you imagined. Check out authorvoices.ai for a user-friendly platform that lets you experiment with narration pacing and AI narration tools tailored for authors. Your readers and listeners will thank you for the immersive, well-paced listening experience that can turn your book into a captivating audio journey.